Hello guys, welcome to Ausbildung. So today we will solve few numericals based on a series and parallel combination of resistances. So those numericals will be important from every exam point of view and that will build up your basic concept of solving a circuit. So let's begin with the session. So first numerical says that find the resistance R across XY in the network. So here we will start solving this circuit from right hand side. Now we can see R2 and R1 are connected in series. So circuit will be formed in this manner. Now here we will add R2 and R1, that is equals to 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5 ohm. And here R3 is equals to 5 ohm. Here R5 is equals to 4 ohm. And here R4 is equals to 1.5 ohm. Now we can see here 5 and 5 ohm are now connected in parallel. So now we will solve these two parallel combination of resistances. So now circuit will be formed in this manner. That is equals to, now this resistance will become 5 parallel 5, that is equals to 5 by 2, or you can also say 2.5 ohm, and here it is 1.5 ohm, and here it is 4 ohm. So now we can see 2.5 ohm and 1.5 ohm are connected in series, and that will come in parallel with 4 ohm. So R equivalent is equals to 4 parallel with 2.5 plus 1.5. So that will give us 4 parallel 4. Or we can also write 4 by 2, that is equals to 2 ohm. So 2 ohm is the equivalent resistance for this circuit. Now this question says that find the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown in the figure across XY terminal. So now we will start solving this numerical also from right hand side, because we have to see the equivalent resistance from left hand side. So we will solve it from right hand side. So now we can see 2 ohm and 2 ohm means R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. So now circuit will be made in this manner, can be converted in this manner. So here we have connected 5 ohm, here 2 ohm is connected, and now here these two combination give us resistance that is equals to 2 parallel 2, or we can also say 2 by 2, that is equals to 1 ohm. And here we have obtained R3 1 ohm. This is X, and here it is Y, and here resistance is R. So now we can see this 1 ohm and 1 ohm are connected in series. So again we can convert this circuit in this manner. So here 5 ohm, here it will be 2 ohm. Now here we can add these two 1 and 1 together, so that will give 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 ohm. So now we can see this 2 and this 2 are connected in parallel. That will be in series with this 5 ohm. So we can write R equivalent is equals to 2 parallel with 2 plus 5, that is giving us 2 by 2 plus 5, or we can say 1 plus 5, that is equals to 6 ohm. This numerical says that find the R across terminal XY as shown in the figure. So now we have to solve this numerical. So we will solve this numerical from right hand side. So again now the circuit will be converted in this manner. Here resistance is R3, that is equals to 4 ohm. Here these two resistances are connected in series, R1 and R2, so that will be made in this manner. So here we can add this R1 plus R2, that is equals to 1 plus 3, you can say 4 ohm. So now this is simple circuit. these 4 ohms, 4 ohm are connected in parallel. That means R is equals to 4 parallel 4 is equals to 4 by 2, that is equals to 2 ohm. All understood each and every questions. Thank you for watching. So please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you have not gone through the previous videos, so I will share the link in the description box. Bye guys.